Hey Liz,
Hey.
what are we building today?
Cute.
That's a cube or a square?
Yeah.
It's a square. Cool. Ooh, it won't focus. It won't focus. Hold on. Let me see. Maybe. There we go. All right. Kind of, sort of. All right. Let's get started, Liz. All right, friend. These are the pieces that we use to build our little square to help us learn our shapes. But you are free to use whatever color, whatever pieces you would like. Ready to get started? Let's go. Build it. Go build a basic little square today.
It's easy.
Ta-da! Look at you go!
Easy peasy.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Let's see, girlfriend. Yeah, thank you.
You guys,
Subscribe.
hit the thumbs up.
Hit the thumbs up.
And stay tuned to the video.
Yeah, thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.